he lost his powers, remember? See, he lost his powers. That one, yeah, sure. He lost his powers.
It's Kisame's voice. That right here. Dude, that was Kisame.
Who? That dude? No, he doesn't.
Not Renji.
Oh, well, you're confusing me. Who?
No,
That's not
him,
Kis-
not him. Wait for the white hair dude.
The white hair dude?
Oh my god, Shiro.
What nerd? I don't see Kasame. That's not Kasame. That's not Kasame either. There's no Kasame. That's not Kasame.
Well, apparently he left. The dude, apparently walked out of the room or something, but...
As it so often happens in anime. Nobody cares. You have no heart. Yeah.
That was just rude.
You're rude.
Your face is rude.
Your dog's face is rude.
I know it is.
Yeah. Still no Kasame. What? Yeah. That's what I thought.
Face.
We just went over this.
I know we did.
Go die.
We can go over it again.
No, we can't.
So yeah,
No.
I will go die. And you know
Good.
what? I'll die
You don't even know what you're gonna say.
peacefully.
Peacefully? I doubt it. Ah. Fire. What is your problem?
You.
Well, get over it.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, is that Kasame?
You're just jealous.
Shush.
There you go. No, you're not.
I said it's not Kasame's voice.
Dude, he's Kisame's voice.
No, it's not. It's not Kasame's voice. You're a liar.
You can look it up. And that is.
Look it up then. You have the
That's not
computer.
voice acting. It's the voice acting you are.
Ah!